Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome UK dancehall beat. So make sure to participate in my dancehall and afrobeat contest. The link will be in the description. And in this video I'm going to show you how to create the melodies, add the drums and create an arrangement. And go a little bit in depth about how I create these melodies. Also make sure to check out my afrobeat sample pack and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to use some stock plugins. So first I'm going to start off with Flex. And I'm going to use a kalimba. And I'm going to use this kalimba, this one. Just a really basic one. And I'm going to create a melody on a basic rhythm. So that's what's really common in those beats. And I'm going to set the tempo to around 115. That sounds really awesome. And I'm just going to copy this one. So as you can see, I'm copying this A sharp and adding this D6 on top of this one. And D is basically similar to G. So that's why it just sounds, it would sound the same like this. I'm going to turn one up, a really simple trick. And you could do the same, it's just 5 semitones up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the same, so you can create melodies with using this really simple trick. And right now I'm going to So I think this sounds really solid, so duplicate it. So yeah, I think this sounds really awesome. So this will be my kalimba. And right now I'm going to add a really simple bass line. So I found this bass in Analog Lab. And this will be my bass. And I'm going to link it to the mixer and cut out the high frequencies. So like this. And we're going to use the chords we created right here. A and I think this one. So we're going to turn down the maybe use a high cut one or low pass. And also link this kalimba to the mixer and cut out the low frequencies. And right now I'm going to duplicate this kalimba and create the same chord progression but just 1 octave lower. So this adds some more body to this sound. And I'm going to duplicate it again. And just create another melody. So I'm going to copy this one into this one. And I'm just going to create a second melody using this one. Maybe, I don't know, right here. That sounds really awesome. So yeah, I think the melody is done. So I'm just going to keep it really simple like this. And right now we can add some drums. So I'm going to use this melody when adding the drums. I'm just going to create a really simple pattern. Alt R and play around with the velocity. So randomize this one, something like this. Sounds perfect. And we're just going to create a really simple snare pattern. So like this. To turn up the velocity. And I've added this open hand. And right now we can add a kick and an 808. So I'm going to add this 808 and turn off the bass. So just a really simple pattern. And right now I'm going to add the 808. So this one. And I'm going to check if it's in the root note C. So yeah, it is right here. So I'm going to create an envelope like this. And I'm going to copy my bass pattern or melody into this one. And turn it up. And turn on the volume a little bit. And I'm going to cut out some of the boxy frequencies. So I'm going to use this Pro Q3. Cut out the high frequencies. And I'm going to add some keys. So I'm going to add this whirly 5. And just copy my melody. So like this. So I think this one fits really well together with the other sounds. And maybe add some reverb. Cut out the low frequencies of the reverb. And right now we could create a really simple arrangement. So my melodies right here. So just copy everything from the first pattern like this. So the chords, or it isn't basically a chord because it doesn't consist out of 3 notes. So the drums, kick pattern, and the 808. So these are all the elements I've just created, and right now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement, and this is how you could start arranging one of your tracks. So first, I think I'm going to start with this. I really prefer to put the melodies under the drums. So my 808. Maybe add some more reverb to the main melody. And right now I'm not really sure which melody I'm going to choose right here. And right here maybe another. And right now I'm going to use the same melody again and copy this kalimba. And create a new pattern. And copy this melody into this one. And turn it up. And maybe layer it with a flute or something. So I'm going to use heat up for this one, I think. So I think we could use this one and also add it to the mixer. Turn down the volume a little bit. And maybe you could add a shaker loop. And I'm going to add some swing to this beat, so I think around 20%, 25. Link this one also to the mixer. I'm just choosing random inserts, so it's not really a logical way of linking your tracks to the mixer. And maybe you could add some drum fills. So maybe this one. And both link them to one mixer track. And add some reverb. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download this free FLP. It will be available on my website. So make sure to sign up on my website. You will automatically receive a link where you could download this file. So make sure to check it out. Also make sure to let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.